Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best wooden folding chairs is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture pieces you can add to your home, offering a practical solution for extra seating without sacrificing style or comfort. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, need temporary seating for an event, or simply want to maximize your living space, these chairs provide an elegant and functional answer. Their ability to fold away neatly makes them ideal for smaller apartments, dorm rooms, or any area where storage is a concern, proving that convenience doesn't have to come at the expense of aesthetics. We'll explore the top options available, focusing on durability, design, and ease of use to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Ball and Cast Modern Folding Chairs Set of 2. Discover the ultimate in flexible seating. These chairs are perfect for any occasion, from dining to outdoor gatherings, providing convenient extra seating wherever you need it. Experience exceptional comfort with their ergonomic design and plush, skin-friendly fabric. The supportive backrest and cushioned seat allow you to relax fully. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, these chairs are built for durability and stability. They are designed to support up to 250 pounds, ensuring long-lasting use. When not in use, these chairs fold away easily. Their compact, foldable design makes them simple to store in tight spaces or transport. This set of 2 chairs is lightweight and easy to carry. Take them with you for dinners at home, outdoor barbecues, or any event that requires extra seating. What we like? This set offers exceptional comfort with its ergonomic back and padded seat, making it ideal for long dinners or gatherings. If you're looking for chairs that provide both support and a plush feel for everyday use or special occasions, these are a fantastic choice. Their versatility means they can adapt to various needs, from dining to extra seating for guests. What people say. The chairs are sturdy and well-made, perfect for our patio. They fold up easily for storage and don't take up much space. The natural wood finish is beautiful and complements our outdoor decor. Number 4. Linon Triena Folding Chair Set. Introducing the Linon Triena Folding Chair Set. Experience elegant dining solutions that are designed for both style and convenience. These chairs feature a rich merlot finish, adding a touch of sophistication to any room. The deep brown hue complements a variety of decor styles. Enjoy comfortable seating with the dark brown vinyl padded seat. It provides a plush surface for you and your guests during meals. Designed for practicality, they fold easily for quick setup and compact storage. When folded, they measure just 7 inches deep, perfect for tight spaces. Front and rear supports ensure extra stability, offering a secure seating experience. You can dine with confidence knowing they are built to last. With a seat height of 19 inches, they are perfectly suited for standard height dining tables. Enjoy meals at the ideal height for comfort and conversation. This purchase includes 2 chairs, making it easy to complete your dining set. Gather your loved ones around the table with these stylish and functional chairs. What we like? With its rich merlot finish and dark brown vinyl seat, this set brings a touch of classic elegance to any dining space. If you appreciate a refined aesthetic and need chairs that are stable and easy to set up for meals, these are perfect. They are designed to complement standard height dining tables beautifully. What people say. These chairs are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor events. The folding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, making storage a breeze. The natural wood finish is beautiful and complements any decor. Number 3. Stakmore Premium Solid Wood Folding Chair Set. Introducing a set of 2 folding chairs, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a party, a family gathering, or a special event, these chairs provide convenient seating. These chairs feature a robust steel folding mechanism for lasting durability and easy setup. They offer an extra seat whenever you need it for guests. The smooth, lustrous espresso finish adds a touch of warmth and sophistication to any room. They beautifully complement your kitchen or dining area. Designed with your comfort in mind, the fabric padded seat ensures a cozy experience. Perfect for enjoying time with family and friends during gatherings. When not in use, these chairs can be easily folded flat for convenient storage. Their ingenious design makes them practical for any home. What we like? This set features a durable steel folding mechanism and a comfortable fabric upholstered seat, ensuring long-lasting performance and a cozy experience. If you host frequent events or need reliable, sophisticated seating that's easy to store, these chairs are an excellent investment. Their espresso finish adds warmth and elegance to any room. What people say. The chairs are sturdy and well-made, perfect for everyday use. They fold up easily for storage, which is a huge space saver. The natural wood finish is beautiful and complements any decor. Number 2. Bamboo Shower Bench. Introducing our natural bamboo shower bench, crafted with over 6 years of durable bamboo. Its hand-built construction ensures exceptional firmness and longevity. This stool is designed for safety and stability with its double-layer bamboo structure. The smooth, slightly concave surface offers a comfortable and ergonomic seating experience. Enjoy the beauty of its curved, widened, and enlarged design. It's safe, healthy, and gentle on your hands, providing a harmonious addition to any home. Perfect for various settings, it seamlessly fits into your bathroom, bedroom, dining room, or living room. Use it as a shower stool, shoe stool, or makeup seat. Made from renewable bamboo, this bench is an energy-saving and environmentally friendly choice. Its approximate dimensions are 19.2 L x 18.3 H x 12 W. Engineered for strength, it reliably supports up to 450 pounds. This waterproof bathroom seat is ideal for spa-like relaxation. What we like. Crafted from sustainable bamboo with a unique curved design, this stool offers both stability and comfort. If you're seeking an eco-friendly and versatile seating option that can be used in various settings like the bathroom, dining room, or as a makeup stool, this is an ideal pick. Its waterproof nature and sturdy construction make it a practical choice for diverse needs. What people say. The chairs are sturdy and well-made, with a smooth finish that doesn't snag. They fold up easily for storage and are surprisingly lightweight, making them convenient to move around. The design is classic and elegant, fitting well with various decor styles. Number 1. Flash Furniture Hercules Series Folding Chair. Introducing a set of 4 versatile folding chairs, perfect for any event. They offer a reliable seating solution for seminars, weddings, banquets, and more. Enjoy all-day comfort with a waterproof vinyl seat that's easily replaceable. Its elegant design adds a touch of style and versatility to any space. Crafted from durable and attractive beechwood, these chairs are built to last. They can withstand years of use in banquet halls, restaurants, or dining rooms. These chairs are lightweight and foldable for easy portability and compact storage. The double-braced frame ensures optimal stability and can even serve as a footrest. Forget about assembly. These chairs are ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold them and start setting up for your events immediately. What we like. This pack of 4 chairs, made from durable beechwood with detachable vinyl seats, offers a cost-effective and practical solution for larger gatherings. If you frequently host events like seminars, banquets, or parties and need reliable, comfortable, and easy-to-maintain seating, this set is perfect. The ability to easily replace the seats adds to their long-term value. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and well-made. They fold up easily for storage and are lightweight enough to carry. The design is classic and fits well with most decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.